Okay folks, that's the little follow-up video. That is my top plate fitted, absolutely solid, and I'll just go through some of the points that I highlighted earlier. So what I've done is I have fitted all the bracketry as per instruction. Okay, now you'll see there is slight differences of spacer washers been putting in, so I think to fit the box without this is going to give you long-term problems. Now let me just get back out of here. Hopefully you'll see that point I made earlier where that little piece there actually fits. It's cut to length. You get this sorted. You've got this profile here, same on the other side, and that little shaped piece of steel in there is cut so it fits between exactly these two. Sits on top of the main BMW round part of the carrier, and then your saddle piece of steel goes underneath and clamps. Takes up all the proper spacing, gets the thing sitting exactly how GIVI intended, and it will actually help it sit very central on the bike, so you've got none of that to worry about. Absolutely rock solid. All I've got to do now is fit the box. I've had the box on already. Looks very good and absolutely solid. I think with all this fitting, yeah, okay, you may think, well, it's only carrying 2 helmets, 10 kilograms maximum load, and the top box is recommended. However, if you don't get this right, 10 kilograms at 60-70 miles per hour going down the road is a lot of force and a lot of strain on the steelwork that's being provided. So yeah, successful job, nae too bad. I think really the secret to it is really study the pictograms that's given by GIVI. Check out the dotted lines, you know, really understand the technical information that's being presented, and yeah, should have a successful and pretty straightforward install. Thanks very much.